Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter time. So let's get started. The question is 6 a.m. So the answer would be 6 because here it's written AM. Whenever there is AM written after the number, this means we will not change anything. So the answer would stay 6. So we will write 6 here. 600. Next question. The question is 8 a.m. Again, we won't be changing the number because here it's written AM. So we won't be changing it. So the answer would be 8.00. Next question we will, it's a different one. We will write here 200 and then here is written PM. This time the answer wouldn't be the same because here it's written PM, so we will not change it. We will make here a big circle or small. Make a dot in the middle. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You have this. Now you're going to write here 13 above 1, 13, 14 above 2, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, and here we will write 24. So here is written 2 p.m. So we will see what is written above 2. So 14 is written here above 2. So the answer would be 2 p.m. Oh, sorry, not 2 p.m. 14. Right here, 14. Next question. The question is 7 a.m. Again, we will not change it because after 7 it is written AM, so we will not change it. So you can write here 7 AM. Here we will not change it because here is written AM, so we will not change it. It will stay 7. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. Send this to someone who needs it, and see you next time. Jazakallah.